Assalamualaikum, welcome to Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. Today we will be making another Ramadan special recipe, which is caramelized bread pudding. This is very simple, very easy and can be made in no time. Here for this we need 4 bread slices, condensed milk 3 teaspoon, milk half a cup, sliced almonds, chopped pistachios about 2 to 2 teaspoons, chopped dates maybe 2 to 3, chopped walnuts 1 teaspoon, corn flour 1 to 2 teaspoon, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon. We also need baking molds. You can choose any baking mold of your choice. We'll start chopping in the bread into cubes. Once they are chopped, set aside and start working on the cream liquid which we need to make. Now to this condensed milk, we will add the milk, half of the milk first and give it a stir. And then again add corn flour to it and the cardamom powder. Gently mix and add the remaining milk now. Once you add the remaining milk, mix it well. That's done. So now we'll take the molds, add the chopped bread and pour in the liquid onto it until they all are well immersed. Once they are immersed well, now we'll top it up with the chopped pistachio, sliced almonds, there you go, and then chopped walnuts, and then chopped dates, and again top it up with the bread and coat them up with this liquid again and top it up with some dry fruits again, some almonds and some pistachios with walnuts. And now this will be baked at about 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes in a just add some water to the tray and then place the molds and bake it. Once this is done, after 15 minutes, remove it and you let this to cool down in the refrigerator. You can seal this up with the aluminium foil and refrigerate it to cool down. After an hour or so, you can remove it. I'm just going to caramelize it because I want it to look a little beautiful and also give a nice caramelized flavor. So add sugar and just caramelize the sugar. And once this is done, I'm going to top it up with some chopped almonds and pistachios again because I love dry fruits and they are very healthy as well. So there you go. Isn't it simple to make, friends? So do try this recipe for this Ramadan Iftar and do share your comments below. No much ingredients required, very little ingredients which is easily available at home. So do try and share your thoughts and your experience on this. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned with Cooking is Fun with Firdaus. There's still lots more to come in. Thank you. Happy fasting and Allah Hafiz.